First, let's do the separation of variables. So now we have dy over y minus 4 equals 1 over x squared dx. All right, now we can do the antiderivative of both sides. So we get the natural log of the absolute value of y minus 4 plus some constant equals, and this is just the antiderivative of x to the negative 2. So we use the power rule, we add an exponent, and then we'll take and solve for y minus 4 by doing the inverse of log base e, which is the exponential function base e. So we know that the right side is e to the c times e to this exponent. So e to the c will just be a big constant times e to the negative reciprocal of x. So we can get rid of the absolute value signs because c can be positive or negative, and then we'll add 4 to both sides. And then we can find what c is because we have an initial condition. When x is 3, the y value is 0. All right, then let's solve for c there. We have negative 4 equals ce to the negative 1/3. So we have negative 4 times e to the positive 1/3 is equal to c. So if we put negative 4e to the 1/3 in for c, then we have 4 minus 4 1/3, 4 times e to the 1/3, times e to the negative 1x. Just making that substitution. And I should be able to simplify that by multiplying e times e. We'll add the exponents, so we have 4 minus 4 times e to the power of 1/3 minus 1 over x, which is exactly what the answer key says we should have had. So that's all good. Now let's go to part B. So as x approaches infinity, this part of the fraction is approaching 0. So that's how this is evaluated to be just 4 minus 4e to the 1/3 power.